Hello, this is Mrs. Politsky, and these are your answers to your short answer questions for Chapter 14. You're going to need your handout to complete these. All right, take a look at question number 1. Provide a brief script for attending a birthday party. If you remember talking about scripts, that's kind of like what would be the normal routine for something happening. So you should arrive with the gift. A person of honor will eventually get to open the gift, and everyone will sing happy birthday. The person who is having a birthday will blow out the candles, and all will enjoy the cake. Number 2, what did Solomon Asch attempt to measure in his study involving lines of differing lengths? And that would be conformity to social norms. Question number 3, what was the rationale for Stanley Milgram's study of obedience? And that was to determine whether a person would follow orders to harm another, and would they do so because they have some unique feature of personality. For number 4, Solomon Asch conducted a study on lines, and he was testing for conformity. Stanley Milgram conducted the teacher-learner obedience study. And finally, Phil Zimbardo conducted the Stanford Prison Experiment. Question number 5. Some commentators on the Kitty Genovese murder blame flaws in those people rather than social circumstances. This is an example of what is known as the fundamental attribution error. Number 6, as a result of the fusion of responsibility, people in larger groups feel less obligated to help someone in need. Question number 7, what are the factors that dictate whom we like according to the Rorty theory of attraction? Okay, well, we base on who we like on the following: physical appearance, our proximity to that individual, our similarities, and the ability to have self-disclosure. Question number 8. The cognitive dissonance theory accounts for the self-justification that people engage in when they behave in ways that are not consistent with their internal state. How do we attempt to eliminate this? Well, the goal would be trying to behave in the same way that we are feeling. Number 9, when you take credit for your success while denying responsibility for your failures, you are showing the self-serving bias. Question number 10. Given an example of how prejudice and discrimination have slowed change, well, kind of comes down to this. Exposure to groups other than our own tends to be the best way to see members of a different group as individuals rather than just part of a crowd. This interaction keeps us from making overgeneralizations. Number 11, why, when working on a project, do some people work less hard, and how can this be combated? That is called social loafing, okay? And social loafers, for the most part, they kind of drag the process down when we do group work. To avoid this, everyone in the group should have some kind of role or responsibility that they need to take on. Number 12. The Bay of Pigs invasion was ill-advised, but there was not anyone to stand up and offer another solution. This is an example of what is known as groupthink. Number 13. Name the 3 components of love emphasized by Robert Stenberg's triangle theory of love, and that would be passion, intimacy, and commitment. Number 15. In Moshoff Sharif's Robbers Cave study, under what conditions would boys from 2 differing groups work together? And that would be when they have a common goal to achieve. I hope you were able to get everything written down, and I hope that you have a great day.